Hey guys, what is up? This is Anton. So for today, pupunta tayo sa isang lugar sa Pasay City. The place is called M Grand. So sabi nila sa mga reviews, sulit daw doon. Magpa-massage, mag-relax, 12 hours of relaxation. So itatry natin siya for today's video. And by the way guys, this is going to be the first time that I'm trying to do vlog. So please bear with me. Let's go! So we are finally here at M Grand. So I'll show you guys how it looks like inside. Samahan niyo ako. Let's go!
Entrance fee ticket. Meron tayong shower area, bathing area, heated pool, cold tub, sauna, and cinema, children's playground, and the sleeping pods po where you can stay and rest na rin po for the whole stay.
Okay guys, so umabot kami sa breakfast buffet nila. Pasok kami ng 8 o'clock dito and yung breakfast buffet nila is from 7 a.m. until 9. And then yung lunch buffet nila is from 11 a.m. until 1 p.m. Then dinner is from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. So technically, dun sa 12 hours namin, makakatatlong buffet kami. So I'd say sulit naman siya. Pwede na. Okay guys, so umabot kami sa breakfast nila. So I'll show you guys what we have for breakfast today. Some more veggies, may pansit. Good morning. So merong bread, merong mga rice, mga veggies and all. So this is what I'm having for breakfast. Ito pork, ito beef, and then some gulay dyan. And then rice syempre. Okay guys, so currently nandito tayo sa gaming area nila. And yes, meron silang mga arcade areas dito wherein you guys can choose a lot of games. Heads up lang though, hindi siya kasama dun sa entrance. So, you have to pay extra for the games if you wanted to play. Pero mura lang naman siya, nasa 10 to 20 pesos lang siya.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. Wow, ang galing.
Meron.
The newest YouTuber in town.
Super bilis.
Sabi mo, easy.
Super bilis eh.
Nakik sa tapak ko yun eh. Igutas mo.
Yeah, mga kaibigan ko, naglalaro ngayon. And they have a lot of games that you guys can choose from. Meron din dito karaoke. And then mga ganyan. Basta madami.
You were right.
Hey guys, so quick update. We had a nap. Since 12 hours naman dito pwede, so pwede kayong umidlip pag inaantok kayo. And just like that, punta tayo sa buffet for lunch naman this time. Let's go!
Hindi mo gusto yun eh. Gusto na ko yan, ulam.
Yun na nga guys, kakatapos ko lang dun sa jacuzzi and wet area nila. Hindi na ako nakapag-video dun sa loob kasi strictly no phones allowed. Super solid din ang lugar dun. Nakaka-relax talaga. Pero heads up lang, hubad-hubad kayo dun. So, kailangan walang saplog pag nandun kayo. Pero okay lang naman kasi wala magpakialam yung mga tao sa inyo dun. Solid experience so far. So guys, this is one of the common areas wherein pwede kayong matulog. Pwede rin kayong mag-chill since 12 hours naman kayo dito. Then meron ding mga pod-spots dyan. I'll show you guys an example of how a pod look like. Sa natin yung ilaw. So pwede kayong matulog dyan. Then may kasama na rin siyang iPad. Then meron din siyang beanbag. Since yun nga, 12 hours kayo dito. So kung gusto nyo kumidlip, no problemo. And yes po, may aircon so malamig siya. Alright guys, so we're down to the last activity of the day, which is the main event for me, which is the massage. It's going to be 1 hour. Let's go. So guys, before the massage, they would give you some snacks, mga biscuits, and then I think this is some tea. So I think it's really sulit. Let's go. It's massage time. Hey guys, so nakatapos lang 1 hour massage. Chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. I mean, hindi siya kasama dun sa 1.5 na entrance. You have to pay extra for the massage itself. But I would highly recommend that you guys try it kasi so time check, 7 p.m. So, 11 hours na kaming nandito guys. Isang oras na labas na kami. And buffet na naman, syempre. Dinner buffet naman this time.
Hala,
It's going to be our third buffet for the day.
ako yung pinakamapayat. Wala rin.
Hey guys, so time check, it's around 9:30 p.m. already and kakauwi ko lang from M Grand. So just a quick recap, I think it's sulit. It's really sulit. 1,500 is the entrance and you get to access several amenities, sauna, hot jacuzzi, cold pool, and then the buffet 3 times, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Open sila 24 hours. Although again, just to make it clear, hindi kasama yung spa doon. I availed one of their spa. I think that was an additional 1,500. But if you're going to ask me, sobrang sulit ng mga spa nila doon. But regardless, if you don't really have any plans of adding spa to your trip in M Grand, super sulit pa din yung 1,500. And yes, you can also sleep there kasi meron silang mga sleeping pods and that's private. Kung may work kayo, actually pwede rin kayo magdala ng laptop doon. So if you're into this kind of video, travel, lifestyle, where to go and whatnot, do not forget to like and subscribe.